everybody, today we're going to introduce to you this 60-inch cold table NSF certified table. This one is a 60-inch cold table. The width of this unit is 60 inches like I mentioned. The depth running from front to back, you have about 34 inches from the back to the front of the cutting board. And then from the bottom to the top, including the casters, it's about 55 inches, including the casters. So it's a really well-sized unit to put it anywhere in your restaurant and location. As you can see down here, we have these big doors, molded in handles for you. Open this up for you so you can take a look. And then both of these units do come with 2 shelves, including the clips. As you can see here on the very left corner, it has a sticker there. It lets you know it's certified by the health department, as well with the specifications, just so if you need any more information, it has it in here as well, okay? And they have a self-closing hinge here for the doors, so you don't got to push them. Okay. And this unit comes with all the pans you see included here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It comes with 8 pans in the row, so 8 here, and 8 there. So it's a really good unit. As you can see here, this lid, this is to cover the pans here. This doesn't come included with the pans. If you want to order these, you could go to your local store and get them yourself. They're 6x6 standard size, or you could order them from us. Just let us know, okay? Really nice unit here that we have. Here's the curved glass, nice display for the customers to order when you have them here, to choose either whatever you want to put as your product in there. As you see here, it has a circuit diagram here at the very right. Lets you know all the information as well. Like I said, like the inside, it's the weight, what kind of refrigeration it uses, serial number, stuff like that, okay? It does come with a European compressor, so it's a really good quality compressor. It's called Embraco, so it's a really good compressor. The voltage for this unit is 110 voltage, standard voltage, 110, 120, so it's standard. It's ready to use when you get it. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to order this unit, it's a 60-inch cold table. Feel free to place the order on our website. Usually if you place the order, it takes anywhere from 3 to 9 business days, depending on your location. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call and we'll try our best to answer all the questions, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. This is a 60-inch cold table.